Good morning, children. Welcome to my channel, CC Thakur. Today, we will discuss fifth chapter, that is Yojagah Tatra Durlabha. Yojaga means organizer, one who connects, one who arranges. He is important. I mean, when you see the things, you see bad things, you see good things, you observe so many things. But how to arrange them, how to consider them, how to take these things, and how much you consider, how much you extract good things out of it, that is important. I mean, Yojaka means the organizer, one who sees, one who observes. How does he take the things into action? That is important. So, this kind of people are very rare to find in this world nowadays. So, children will start the fifth chapter, Yojaka Tatrudurlabha. Organizer of talent is really rare. Okay, so the person who finds out the utility of a thing and organizes that in a proper use is rare. This kind of people nowadays is very rare. What kind of people? People observe so many things but unable to get the good things from out of it. They are unable to find out the good out of it. That is important. So this kind of people are very rare nowadays. So here is a story. I have divided this chapter into two parts. One part will describe translation, second part will be describing exercise. So let's see part 1, and we have written here, I have written here paragraph wise. So please find the translation given below in PDF also and write it down in your notebook. Okay, so let's start the story. Ekah Ustra Asti, there is a camel. How does camel look like? You know very well. Eka ustrasi, there is a camel. Ustra Sobhavena Bakrasi. By nature, the camel is curved. Sa Sarvata Dosayava Pasyati. And what is his nature? Saha Sarvada, always. Saha means he. Dosayava Pasyati. He looks at the fault only. He always finds fault in others. He is having fault. His body does not look good. He is never good looking. Then also he always finds fault in others. He looks at the fault only. He says, dosayava. Only fault he sees. He does not see the good side. Ekada sa banaya atati. One day he was roaming in the forest. I repeat. Eka ustrasti, there is a camel. Ustra sobhavena bakra asti. The camel is curved by nature. Sa sarvada dosaiva pasati. He always see the fault only. Ekada sa vane atati. One day he was roaming in a forest. Okay. So here I have given a translation. You can find it after pausing the video. You can write from here, from the video, as well as you can go through the PDF. Now second paragraph. When he was roaming in the forest one day, what happens? See. Marge sa vrukshasya upari ekam sukam pasyati. Marge, on the way. Saha means he. He means that camel. Vrukshasya upari, on the tree. Ekam sukam pasyati. Saw a parrot. Here you see, children. Pasyati, chalati, kathayati, asti, hasati, anubhavati. These are present tense. Children, it is a story. So what do we think? When it is a story, we should write in the form of simple past tense. Okay, or if we write present simple, then it is also applicable because the symbol is given at the end. So everywhere you have to maintain one rule. So margi sah bruksha supari ekam sukam. Sukam means parrot. On the way he found or he saw a parrot on the tree, on the branch of the tree. Bruksha supari, on the tree. On the way he saw a parrot on the tree, sitting on the tree. Ustra sukaya kathayati. Ustra means the camel speaks to that parrot. Hey suka, O parrot. Tava chanchu bakrasti. Your chanchu means beak. Your beak is curved. Naturally, it is by nature. God has created that bird. It's parrot and its beak is curved, bending. Then also the camel speaks to him. Ustra sukaya kathati. The camel speaks to the parrot. Hey suko, O parrot. Tava means your. Tava chanchu bakrasti. Your beak is curved. शुकः लज्जाम् अनुभवति. The parrot feels shy. The parrot feels ashamed of himself. The shukah lajjam the parrot feels shy. Ushtra hasati agre gachati. Ushtra hasati, the camel laughs at him, and agre chalati, goes ahead. Okay. After saying this to parrot, the camel moves ahead, goes ahead. Okay. Now again, after seeing parrot, what happens next when he proceeded on his way? Margesha kukuram pasyati. On the way he saw a dog. Ustra kukura kathati. The camel speaks to the dog. Hey kukura, O dog, tava pucham bakram asti. Your tail is curved. Kukura lajjam anubhavati. The dog feels shy. Ustra hasati agra chalati. The camel laughs at him and goes ahead, proceeds ahead. Here you see, in the beginning he saw the parrot, he spoke to him, your beak is curved. Here he saw a dog, again he speaks to him, your tail is curved. So there that parrot feels shy, here dog feels also shy. I repeat, Margesha kukuram pasyati. On the way he saw a dog. Ustra kukuraya kathati. The camel speaks to dog. Hey kukura, O dog, tava pucham bakramasti. Your tail is so curved. Kukura lajjam anuvati. The dog feels shy. Ustra hasati agra chalati. The camel laughs at him and goes ahead. Here translation there. You can read it from the PDF also. Now next, who comes on his notice in the third time? Let's see. Marge bakavasti. On the way there was a crane. Baka means bagla, crane. Bakam drushta urshta vadati. On seeing the crane, drushta means on seeing. On seeing the crane, ushtaha vadati. The camel speaks. Tava griva vakra asti. Your neck is curved. Vakra bakah ustram prati pasyati apina. That crane felt so much shy that he did not look at the camel only. So vakah ustram prati pasyati apina. Even the crane does not look at the face of the camel. I mean, he felt ashamed of himself and goes away. I repeat, marge bakah asti. On the way there is a crane. Bakam drushta ustra vadati. On seeing the crane, the camel speaks. Tava griva bakra asti. Your neck is curved. Baka ustrampati pasyati apina. The crane does not look even at the camel. He goes away. Okay. So here you can see the translation from the PDF also. Now next comes Srugala, means jackal, the cleverest animal on the earth. Marge Srugala milati. On the way he happens to meet a fox. Milati means he meets. On the way he meets a fox. He sees a fox. Srugala pruchati. The fox asks him, Ushtra bhrata, O brother camel, kathamasti, how are you? Swastham samichinava, is your health alright? See, every time he used to see others and make some comments. Now the fox also saw him. He also saw a fox. Immediately fox started saying. Instead of, before he asked him, he started saying, Marge Srugala milati. On the way he sees a fox, he meets a fox. Srugala pruchati. The fox asks, Ushtra bhrata, O brother, bhrata means brother, O brother camel, kathamasti, how are you? Katham means how and why. Here in this context, how. How are you? Swastham samichinava, is your health alright? This is the question asked by fox. Now let's see what does the camel replies. Ushtra vadati, the camel says, or the camel replies, Swastham samichinam, my health is good. Samichinam means good. My health is good. Kintu anyat kimapi asamichinam nasti, but something else is not good, is not proper. Swastham samichinam, my health is good. As you are asking how is your health, I am saying my health is alright. Kintu, but anyat kimapi, something else, samichinam nasti, is not proper, is not good. He started saying, Sukasya chanchu bakra, the beak of the parrot is curved. Kukurasya pucham bakram, the tail of the dog is curved. Bakasya griva vakra, the neck of the crane is curved. He saw these three things, so he started saying, these things are having fault. Okay, so he told, because of them I am not happy, I am not good. Okay, so you can see the translation, or you can see. Okay, now let's see what does the fox reply after listening the statement given by camel. The fox says, Srugala Badati, the fox says, Sukasya Chanchu Vakra. No doubt, the Chanchu means that beak of the parrot is Vakra means car. Kintu sa manusya vanim bhaktum saknoti. But he speaks in a human voice. But he can speak in human voice. That is a good quality. So we should not look at the bad side of him. Srugala Badati, the fox speaks, Sukasya Chanchu Vakra. The beak of the parrot is car. Kintu sa manusya vanim bhaktum saknoti. But he can speak in human language. That is the good side. Then he spoke about Kukuram and dog. Kukurasya pucham vakram. The tail of the dog is curved, no doubt. Kintu, but sa Swami Bhakta asti. He is highly devoted to his master. That is the good side. We should look at it. Okay? Even though the tail of the dog is curved, but he is highly devoted, highly honest, or you can say faithful to his master. Now, about the crane. Bakasya grivaha vakra asti. The neck of the crane is curved, no doubt. Kintu, but tasya ekagrasta prachalita. But he is famous for his concentration. He is known as a person having lot of concentration. That is the good side of the crane. Okay? So he narrated, even though beak of the parrot is curved, but he speaks in human being. Even though tail of the dog is curved, but he is highly devoted to his master. And even though the neck of the crane is curved, but he has lots of concentration. Now, he speaks about the camel. Bhavata sarvani angani vakrani sandhi. Your every limbs, every parts of body, your every part of body is curved. Kintu bhavan marubhamyan rupa asti. You are the king of the desert. I mean, he started showing his bad side. Nobody, he was observing the bad side of the person. But fox spoke, every part of, every limbs of your body is curved, no doubt. Kintu, but bhavan means you, up. Marubhamyaha, Marubhya means of the desert. Rupa asti, you are the king. But you are the king of the desert. So he gave conclusion here. Apicha tesam chancho prustasya grivaya parajanamasi. In the same way, moreover, tesam chancho means big, prucha means tail, griva means neck, parajanasti. There is huge of all these things. Their big tail and neck are useful. Nirarthakam nasti. They are not useless. They are not useless. They are not wastage of the nature. So they are useful. So here he gives the conclusion. That is the moral of the story. Amantra maksharam nasti mula manosadham ajogyaha purusho nasti yojakas tatra dullabh. Amantra maksharam nasti. There is no letter which is not a mantra. I mean, in mantra every letter is included. So ऐसा कोई लेटर नहीं जो मंत्र में न included हो. Amantram aksharam nasti. There is no letter which is not a mantra. I mean, every letter can be considered as mantra. Nasti mulam anusadham. There is no root of a tree which cannot be considered or which cannot be taken as a medicine. I mean, every root of a tree we can use as a medicine. Ajogya purusta nasti. There is no person, there is no man who is absolutely useless, who is absolutely unfit. I mean, every person is fit in some way. But yojakas tatra dullabha. But the organizer, one who organizes these things, he finds the utility of the things and use them in proper way. This kind of people are really rare nowadays. I mean, he wanted to prove, even though parrot has a curved beak, the dog has a curved tail, the crane has a curved neck. They are also useful on the earth, but we are not able to find out their good side, utility. So he concludes, Yojaga tatra dullabha, but the person who organizes the things in the proper way or their utility of the thing, so this kind of organizer or judge are really rare on this earth nowadays in the world. So this is the story, children. So before you exit, subscribe to my channel and share it among our friends. Just subscribe to my channel and go through the translation paragraph wise as well as stanza wise. Each and every line you should go through, compare with English and read them. If you have any suggestion and ideas, please write it in the comment box. And if you have any queries, please contact me. And thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice time. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.